add a little bit of essential oil to this. And I've added some beeswax cappings in there. So there's going to be a little bit of pollen and a little bit of other honey goodness in there. So I'm just going to mix this up. Alright, now that that's mixed, I'm going to go ahead and let it cool for a while, and we will come back when it's at about 150 degrees. Alright, we're going to just drain the lye solution in. Alright, so let's blend this baby up. Okay, now I'm going to add a few things. This is aloe vera and my fragrance. Fragrance I'm using are about 20 drops of camphor. I'm not going to use any kind of fragrance oils. And I'm going to add super fat of avocado oil, just the Costco brand, in there. Looks good. First, and that's cool. And you don't want to waste any of that either. This one's just going to be kind of fun because we're going to use up another mold. Okay, so I am going to try to finally fix this. So we're going to do pour this way, hopefully, down once. And more. Okay. So I'm going to add the Hillbilly mistletoe to this one. So I can thin it down a little bit. Get rid of her. Loosen it. It's starting to thicken on me, but it's not like in a bad way doing that. Smells good with the camphor. So we just took Hillbilly mistletoe up a notch, guys. We'll see what we can do here. I'm gonna have to position these, I can tell already. Don't want any holes. Gooey. I have a feeling I've screwed up, but we're going to give it a go. And it's just about pipeable, so I think I'll take the last of that and just pipe the top. Just getting it in the pot. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. I am just out of time, guys. Oh, I do have. Let's just get it in there. And we'll do a little swirl because I think I can keep it at least on top. And I want all of this to be used. Do it with a little spoon. Do a little hot top. Try to get it evened out. I'm gonna go like this. No, I'll just do my own thing. I think you'd appreciate that more, right? But I do want the high top. Alrighty. So we'll do a little bit of wiping. And I'm going to sprinkle this one with salt because it's from my, there is a lot of my goodies in there from the Salish Sea. It's a Salish Sea fail. Let's try not to get any in that one. There we go. Pretty pretty. And we'll spritz it with alcohol. And hope for the best here. And we're going to cut this soap. I'll be lucky if I don't break this one because there's going to be some salt in there. Alright, I'm just going to get on the ground and see if I break my machine or if I do this. Hold on, I'll bring you back when it's all the way through. Alright, let's looking like the nightmare is just continuing and I wasted a whole bunch more soap. But maybe not, because it's fracturing inside. This is salt soap. I don't know, we'll see. It's going to be interesting. We'll use a bar and we'll see. What happens. I'm going to get it wet and see if I can keep it from falling out. May not happen, but it might. Turned out pretty. Stop. Interesting. A few gaps, but you know, might have saved this soap. Might have. Cutting soleseife though is something that should only be done when the soap is quite fresh. Or use molds. Still looks quite brittle, so I don't know exactly what we'll have. Let's see. That ended up so skinny. It's not going to get up properly. Now we get a couple of bars that I couldn't get cut straight. Oops. I don't think I'm going to be able to cut them really thin. Where's my other funky looking one? Oh, here's the other funky looking one. Still end up with half the bars looking funky. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 good sized bars. Whether or not they will work, we've got lots of plant matter in there. Remains to be seen. This was a fun experiment. They're super cute. But it has definitely been a challenge, to say the least. Some trimming needs to be done. They're interesting. These will be great for my natural side of the table. All right, if you enjoyed this presentation, click like and subscribe. If you've got some ideas for using your leftover soap and recreating it and making it new and wonderful, please leave a comment in the section below. I thought I'd show you how I stamp my soap. So this is my custom stamp. It's just initials. And I use plastic because the soap is quite soft. I don't want it to stick in my impression. And that's how it's done. Now I'm not sure how well, now if it isn't, like I don't quite like the S on that, you have to line it up. Make sure it's properly lined up and you can fix it. So there we go. Just make sure you kind of smush it. Don't get too close to the corners or you'll break it. Don't get too close to any of the edges. And I will be beveling these and finishing these up later after they've had some time to dry. I don't know if I can do this one, but I'm going to try. It might cause all the embeds to fall out. Who knows? Lucked out. Teenagers are so noisy. There we go. And so on, etc., etc., etc. just continue to do this so you guys can watch. Put it to music, make it soothing, make it nice. And the last one. Oops, that one's close to the edge. See what I mean? You have to smush it back if you get too close. Here's just a one that's fun to practice on. What's wrong with this one? Ah, it's cut. Cut funky. I'm going to be rebatching these. But it's fun to play with them. Rebatches and freebies. This could be a soap card though. Maybe. We'll see how it stamps. If you stamp them too hard, they break them in half. That was fun. All right, we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.